Come on! What's up guys, this is CJ Estrada and welcome to my channel. So today is another day here at Grand Rapids, Michigan, and it's not going to be a typical night because me and my colleagues are gonna do some barbecue outside the hotel and we're gonna party like, well, not party like there's no tomorrow. We're gonna do and we're gonna jam since it's probably one of the last time to hang out with them, with everybody, because they're not gonna come back sooner, and I'm from other country. I'm gonna be flying a week after next, so they're not gonna come back, and this is their last week to be here. So let's go and enjoy. What's up?
Where's the beer?
In my fridge. This is Matias. This is Mike. Come on! Dad's gonna cook for us.
Dad's cooking. So don't blame me if it's burnt.
You want me to start cutting the potatoes?
Yeah.
How do you cut them? Like lengthways?
Look at here. Steak. That's Alex. Jam. Alex. Alakazam. Alakazam. That's Lisa. It's a video.
Oh,
Yeah.
Come on. These are amazing.
Really?
Oh yeah. Yeah. Go see just that.
Good.
Outstanding.
How do you say it in Spanish?
What?
How do you say it in Spanish?
Outstanding?
Yeah.
Fantástico. Put your finger like this.
Oh, okay. You
press it.
this your finger.
Kind of like it.
You use your finger as the
Pressure.
brine.
Okay.
The brine, yeah, that's right.
I can't do that.
Yeah. You want to try, Alex?
It hurts.
It doesn't.
Oh, come on. Oh, so you're basing it here. I did it here. So
I drank too much beer when I was here. And I still do.
How to make a steak?
$3.50 right now.
Montreal steak seasoning. It's pretty good.
And
Because it's pretty hard when we're where we are.
and you have put this.
Put more. This
Yeah,
so
I'm gonna put it. Well, this way. Go on this side. Just pour it on if you want.
So I guess I'm the only one who's gonna have a well done.
Yeah. Yes.
You're not eating.
You're not eating.
Well, I'm not eating. Oh my god.
I'm just messing with you.
I have to cook rice.
Yeah.
I have to cook rice.
I will really thicken it up. And a good layer of this. And then rub it really good into the meat.
The expert.
Tutorial.
The expert.
Expert.
I'm not expert. That's the way I like it.
Yeah, I know. Just do it all you like it. Come on. Come on.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
He's everybody's dad.
What? I'm everybody's dad now?
You call him dad.
It's alright. You can call me dad. I don't care.
So I just went in my room and it's so dark. So that means good night, share peace and love, and see you tomorrow.